Welcome aboard Independence of the Seas. We are on deck 10 and today we wanted to give you a tour of room 1656. This is a junior suite.
Take a look around and come on back in a moment. All right. Well, you can see this is actually a very wide and spacious junior suite, and we were thrilled when we first walked in here. It's light, bright, and the decor is just a little bit newer than some of the ships that we've been on in the recent past. But let's start over here. And you walk into the hallway, you've got your main light switch right there. It's our bathroom and a bathroom light switch. We'll start off in there. As you come in, you'll see it's still small, but rather spacious compared to a inside room or a balcony room. And the first thing that you probably notice is the bathtub. We are talking about a deep, full-size bathtub and some a nice shower unit here that you can take off if you want to use it as a hand shower. And down below, you'll see the Salt and Breeze that they give you, shampoo, conditioner, and wash soap right there, which is only for junior suite and above. And as you look around, you get your towels hung up nicely, refreshed twice a day, which is another plug for junior suite or above. They come twice a day to refresh your room.
We have storage cabinet here. Another storage cabinet here. We're still in the process of moving in, so some things are here and some things are not. But we have obviously a sink, we have a shelf, we have a flush. It's a pretty deep bathtub. We have a clothesline, obviously Marshall's workout clothes drying there. I'm really excited to show you the closet. You know you're upgraded when you get a light for the closet. We have shelves galore. We have this, I think it's a Thai bar or something. I have our little pouch on there. Got our magnetic hooks all lined up for our hats and so forth. We have plenty of hanging space. We also have this bar. Let me show you. There's these bars. There are two bars that fold down if you wanted to do double hanging. We have the king size bed, which is the typical two twins put into a single king.
We were welcomed with towel animals from the sea. We weren't quite sure what they were, but we spoke to our wonderful attendant who filled us in. Come on, see if you can guess. Did you guess crab? You were right. Okay, this female, yeah, I don't know. Is it a lobster? That's what he told us. It's a kind of a loose-looking lobster. Not to be outdone with this interesting animal that he told us. Come on, did you know? We didn't. Did you know? It's a turtle. So anyway, it was fun to have three at one time.
We have two nightstands, a drawer, and a cubby. We have a reading light and a sconce. Same on the other side of the bed, and then this side of the bed also does have a switch to control the main room lights. As you can see, we have a sofa, a table, a chair with an ottoman, which is actually very comfortable, and another table. This is a connecting room.
So as you probably know, there's two doors. Both have to be unlocked. So if you're traveling with a larger family, you can get this room and another junior suite together to make a large suite with 2 bathrooms, 2 beds, etc. And you can come and go as you want. So it gives you some flexibility. And of course, we got the TV that does swivel and pull out depending on which way you're going. Up here is another shelf, and very typical. Usually we keep our sunscreen out so we don't forget it. So that's just us. If you don't want to see it, we got plenty of places to hide it, but we like to have it there.
We have a espresso machine. Down here we have the fridge. We have some waters in there. We have 8 drawers, 4 on either side. We have 3 on each side that are this depth, and then more narrow ones here. And then the one on this side is neat because if you're working here, you have another surface. I've been putting my planner there when I've been working at the desk. And we also have a light. Ta-da! On either side of the mirror, we have these little cabinets. They're pretty narrow, but you could put sunscreen, or I have hairspray in my other one. In addition, there is a middle drawer, which has the room service menu and hang tags. We have a Euro outlet, which we use an adapter in order to use that. And then there are 2 American outlets, the 120s. And in here, additional storage, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelf cubby things. Marshall's tech shelf, my tech shelf, along with the safe. And then we have actually 3 empty cubbies. Like, we have not been able to fill all of the cubbies. I suppose if we were on like a 2 or 3 week cruise, no problem. But this is just a 4-day cruise on Independence of the Seas. So I want to show you the balcony. It's in its locked position now.
And we're in Labadee, so you get some nice views this time on this expansive deck. Over here, you've got your table with 2 nice chairs, plenty of room. And over as you go on this side, you have 2 lounge chairs that actually will go all the way back. So you've got choices out here to lounge or sit and read and take in the views. And the views, they are plenty today. So that's our room tour. We're excited to be in a junior suite and being able to share it to you, but we've done a lot of room tours. So definitely you should subscribe to our channel for catching all of our past room tours, trips, and excursions, and also every one that's coming up. We've got a lot more planned in the next coming months, and I'm sure you'd like to be notified when they're posted. For now, you can click on this link and catch one of our latest videos. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching.